Hello, I just want to show off my tractor, my home-built tractor, before I take the snowplow off. I'll give you a few close-ups here of how I built it. Here's another view of the tractor with the snowplow attached. It has been snowing here for the last couple of days in the springtime, but it's the end of the winter and it's time to take the plow off because it should be melting pretty soon later on this week. The tractor has a car engine in it, a car engine and transmission. It's out of a Toyota Corolla. It's a 1600cc engine. It's through a 4-speed transmission, and then it's through a chain reduction to a rear axle out of a pickup truck, a 3/4 ton pickup truck. I believe it's a Dana 44 axle, which is shortened quite a bit. I think it's shortened 13 inches on either side. Here is some of the control panel. The red lever is a remote control hydraulic valve for the snowplow, and then the other hydraulic valve is for the 3-point hitch, and there's the gear shift lever, and it's got the gauges on the panel. Here's a close-up of the 3-point hitch with a hydraulic outlet also. It's for a dump trailer, and you can see the battery also. The battery, I don't have it in the right place right now. Like it's one of these tractors that's always under construction, and I'm always making changes to it. Here's a close-up of the engine compartment. You can see the hydraulic tank there with the filter, and the gas tank, the steering wheel, and here is the Toyota engine. It's a cross-flow engine, so the carburetor is on this side and the exhaust manifold on the other. I used the regular radiator, and I've had no problems with cooling on this engine. It also has dual brakes. The brakes are just operated mechanically through the emergency brake cable from the rear axle. There's also a gas pedal, which makes it easy to drive like a car. And there's the shift lever, the regular Toyota shift lever, the 4-speed plus reverse. Here's the other side of the engine with the exhaust manifold, and here's the clutch also. It's got a hydraulic clutch, and I got the regular General Motors alternator on the engine. Here's a close-up of the snowplow. The angle is manually adjustable, and it's up and down is hydraulically operated. I also have a box plate for it. It's buried in the snow here, but it fits on the 3-point hitch quite nicely and works quite good. Here's a picture of the 3-point hitch. It's in the lowest position now. And there it is in the highest position. Now for the hydraulics, I just used the power steering pump from a Chrysler car. Hopefully, I'd like to put in a real hydraulic pump with a little bit more volume and higher pressure. I do have lots of power though, because it is I believe it's a 2.5 or 3-inch diameter cylinder, but I do need a little bit higher pressure on the hydraulics. And here's a picture of the tractor without the snowplow. As you see, I call it the Toits because it is a lot of the main parts are from a Toyota Corolla car.